The ready-to-weld package offers the perfect introduction to orbital welding, easier than ever before. Thanks to its compact, lightweight design, the Mobile Welder is perfectly suited for field use. Manual welding is also possible. Upgrades enable the machine to grow with the requirements of different industries. The features of smart software functions can also be expanded. From prefabrication at a fixed workstation to installation work in plants and on construction sites. The Mobile Welder is equipped for any location or application. And together with a connectivity package, multiple power sources can be easily connected and operated simultaneously. For seamless documentation, all data is reliably sent to one server and can be easily reviewed remotely. Automated tube welding for everyone and everywhere with the Mobile Welder. The Mobile Welder grows with your challenges.